Are you dreading your next waxing session? Stop. You might be making key mistakes that cause unnecessary pain. In this video, I'm revealing some game-changing hacks that will make waxing nearly pain-free. Whether you wax at home or visit a salon, these expert-backed tips will transform your experience. Watch till the end for a secret pre-waxing trick that nobody talks about. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing removes dead skin cells for better wax adhesion. Prevents ingrown hairs and post-wax bumps. Makes waxing smoother and less painful. Use a sugar scrub or exfoliating glove. Choose the right wax for your skin type. Hard wax is gentler for sensitive areas like the bikini line. Soft wax works best for larger areas like legs. Hypoallergenic wax reduces irritation. Always check for allergic reactions before use. Numb the skin before waxing. Apply an over-the-counter numbing cream 30 minutes before. Ice packs can provide temporary relief. Aloe vera gel helps calm sensitive skin. Avoid alcohol-based numbing agents, they can dry out the skin, hydrate your skin. But avoid oils. Moisturized skin makes waxing easier. Avoid lotions or oils right before waxing. Wax won't stick properly. Drink plenty of water for skin elasticity. Dry, dehydrated skin can make waxing more painful. Trim hair to the perfect length. Ideal hair length, inch to short. Wax won't grip properly too long, more painful and difficult to remove. Use safety scissors or a trimmer for best results. The pain-free method. Test the wax temperature. Hot wax can burn your skin. Always test on your wrist first. Warm wax should feel like a cozy towel, not scorching hot. Cold wax strips. Rub between hands for better adhesion. Pro tip. Use a wax warmer for consistent heat. Apply wax in the right direction. Always spread wax in the direction of hair growth. Too much wax equals more pain. Use a thin layer. Press wax firmly for best grip. Avoid going over the same spot multiple times. Remove wax the right way. Pull against hair growth in one quick motion. Keep skin tight while pulling. Don't pull straight up. Remove parallel to the skin. Breathe out while pulling for less pain. Use baby powder for a better grip. Helps absorb excess moisture. Prevents wax from sticking to the skin instead of hair. Reduces skin irritation and redness. Works great for sensitive areas like underarms and bikini. Breathe and distract yourself. Exhale as you pull to reduce pain perception. Listen to music or watch a video. Squeeze a stress ball to distract your brain. Relaxing helps. Tension makes waxing more painful. Reduce pain and prevent bumps. Apply cold compress. Immediately calms skin and reduces inflammation. Helps close pores and minimize redness. Aloe vera gel is great for soothing irritation. Green tea bags help reduce swelling. Avoid hot showers and sweating. Hot water can irritate freshly waxed skin. Sweat equals higher risk of bacteria and ingrown hairs. Wait at least 24 hours before working out. Lukewarm showers are the safest option. Use a gentle moisturizer. Hydrates the skin without clogging pores. Look for fragrance-free lotions or aloe vera gel. Coconut oil can be soothing, but may clog pores. Apply a thin layer for best results. Wear loose, breathable clothing. Tight clothes can cause friction and irritation. Choose cotton underwear after a Brazilian wax. Avoid synthetic fabrics that trap moisture. Let the skin breathe for faster healing. Exfoliate 48 hours after waxing. Prevents ingrown hairs and clogged pores. Use a mild scrub or chemical exfoliant like BOD. Don't over-exfoliate. 3 times a week is enough. Dry brushing can also help keep skin smooth. Extra game-changing hacks. Take a painkiller before waxing. Ibuprofen reduces inflammation and pain. Take it 30 minutes before for best results. Avoid aspirin, it can thin blood and cause bruising. Consult your doctor if unsure. Use witch hazel to soothe skin. A natural antiseptic to prevent infection. Reduces redness and irritation. Helps close pores after waxing. Can be used as a toner for post-wax care. Don't wax right before your period. Skin is more sensitive during your cycle. Ideal time to wax. Mid-cycle around day 14. Hormonal changes can make waxing more painful. Plan your appointments wisely. Try sugaring instead of waxing. A natural alternative with fewer chemicals adheres to hair, not skin, equals less pain. Less risk of irritation and ingrown hairs can be done at home with just sugar, lemon, and water. Stick to a waxing routine. Wax every 3-4 weeks for best results. Hair grows back finer and softer over time. Consistency makes future waxing less painful. Don't shave between sessions, it reverses progress. Shave at the right time before waxing. Avoid shaving too close to waxing, causes irritation. Let hair grow to at least inch for best results. Shaving too often makes hair more coarse and painful to remove. If hair is too long, trim it first for a smoother experience. Don't wax on sunburned or irritated skin. Waxing over sunburn equals extra pain and damage. Avoid direct sun exposure for 48 hours before waxing. If your skin is already irritated, wait until it heals. Use aloe vera to soothe skin before your appointment. Use a pre-waxing oil for hard wax. A thin layer of oil prevents wax from sticking to the skin. Helps hard wax grip only the hair, reducing pain. Works great for Brazilian and underarm waxing. Avoid heavy oils, opt for lightweight oils like jojoba, ease pain instantly. Hold the skin tight while waxing. Loose skin equals more pain. Stretch the skin before pulling the wax strip. This prevents excessive pulling on the skin. Works especially well for bikini, face, and underarms. Now you know how to wax without the pain. Which tip was your favorite? Comment below if you've tried any of these tricks or if you have your own secret waxing hack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beauty and self-care tips. Share this with a friend who needs to see this before their next wax.